The four tax reform bills transmitted to the National Assembly in 2024 by President Bola Tinubu have scaled second reading in the House of Representatives. The bill scaled second reading on the floor of the Green Chambers some 6 months after the President transmitted them to the National Assembly for consideration following the recommendations of the Taiwo Oyedele-led Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms. The bills include the Nigerian Tax Bill 2024, the Tax Administration Bill, the Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Bill, and the Joint Revenue Board Establishment Bill.
A time comes in the history of every nation, community, of people, when they must pause to look behind, see where they are coming from, what mistakes they have made, what obstacles they have encountered, how they fought battles, and how they won and those that they lost. Review their present and map out a future for themselves. And that future must be better than the present, otherwise they have been wasting their time.
We are ready for the economic transformation that we all yearn for in this country, and making Nigeria to be globally competitive. There is need for all of us to support this tax reform bill to pass through this second reading, sir.
Whatever legislation we are going to pass must ensure that more monies go to subnationals, the local government, the state government, because they are the closer tiers of government to the people. And this particular bill, I want to note, has made adequate provision for having more of the VAT proceed going to state government from what used to be the share of the federal government, from 15% to 10%.
I like to also advise that there could be a digitization of audited accounts in the new bill, which would stop the rampant or incessant frivolous issuance of account statements, audited accounts by companies. This I mean by companies submit a different account to Corporate Affairs Commission. Then they submit a different account to FIRS in a bid to lower their incomes.
One good thing is that innovation is coming. It could be difficult, but it is desirable. And so whilst we oppose some of the letters of the law, we support the spirit of the law in toto.
Mr. Speaker, there is administrative and operational issues. There is ambiguity. There is preponderance of ambiguity in this act because of the absence of interpretation clause. The interpretation clause is not robust, did not address the issue of derivation. What is derivation in this act? What does it mean? It needs to be defined so that it will be interpreted correctly, so that it will be applied with the section that it is talking about.